Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is AMIRATUL AQILAH binti Muhammad ZAINOL. My matrix number is 2019-202482 and I am from group J4EM1103J. In this video, I will show you the basic operation of lathe machine. I will do a few mock machining process, which is facing cut, turning rough cut, turning finishing cut, chamfer cut at the end side, contour cut, and cut off all parting. So, let's get started.
So what is lathe? A lathe machine is to remove metal from a piece of work to give it the required shape and size. This machine will rotate your workpiece about an axis of rotation to perform various operations such as drilling, tapping, or cutting. This is the apparatus for this operation. Now let's go to the operation. First thing first, check and switch on the machine. And then, place the material into 3 jaws. After that, tighten the jaws. And then, attach cutting tool and check tool tip center. Lastly, close the safety cover. Facing cut. This is the first operation that is done on the workpiece. It is a machining operation that is done to produce flat surfaces at the ends of the workpiece. This operation is performed by feeding the tool perpendicular to the axis of rotation of the chuck. For mock process, we need to move these machine parts in x-axis direction. You must rotate the hand steering at tool post and rotate it in clockwise direction to move forward. Turning rough cut. This is the method of extracting excess material from the workpiece by applying high feed rates and high cutting depths in a minimum amount of time. Move this machine part in the z-axis direction. For this process, you must rotate the hand steering at carriage and rotate it in clockwise direction to move forward. Turning finishing cut. The process of finish turning on a lathe is similar with rough turning. It produces a smooth surface finish and cuts the workpiece to an accurate size. It also needs high cutting speed and a very small depth to create smooth surface. This movement is same with turning rough cut, which move right to the left as in z-axis direction. Chamfer cut at the end side. The cutting edge of the tool is used to cut an angle on the corner of the cylinder, forming what is called a chamfer. It is done in order to remove burrs, to protect the end of the workpiece from being damaged, and to have a better look. You need to remove these two machine parts in x-axis and z-axis direction simultaneously. For this process, you must use both hand steering simultaneously. Contour cut. Instead of feeding the tool in a straight line parallel to the axis of rotation in rotation, this tool follows a contour that is other than straight. You need to move these two machine parts in x-axis and z-axis direction simultaneously. Lastly, cut off or parting. It is the process of cutting a workpiece after it has been machined to the required shape and size. In this operation, the bar type job is held on the chuck, rotating at high speed, and the separator is inserted slowly into the work until the tool reaches the center of the work. This operation is sometimes referred to as parting. Move the machine part in x-axis direction. For this process, it must use lathe parting cutting tool. Next is safety procedures. First, always wear safety goggles or glasses. It may be necessary because workpiece dust can fly from the workplace. Second, make sure the lathe machine has a start and stop button within easy reach of the operator to be safe. And also, make sure the lathe machine has an emergency stop button. Third, use pliers or a brush to remove the chips and never use your hand as it may cause injuries. Lastly, the things that we need to do after the machining. Make sure to switch off the lathe machine after the operation. And then, clean the workspace and keep all the equipment and products in their respective places. That's all from me. Thank you.